Hi everyone, this is FaZe and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to give you guys a short and very helpful tutorial on how you can rent audiobooks and ebooks from your local library and get them on your Kindle or your phone or your tablet device. A lot of people don't know that you can actually read books and get audiobooks for free. And guess what? You don't even have to step into your library to do this. All you need to do is simply download an app, and through that app, you can connect it to your local library or multiple libraries and rent books and audiobooks for free. So without any further ado, let me go over how you can do that. First off, I want to begin by saying this is compatible with both iOS and Android devices. For the purpose of this video, I'm showing everything from my iPad. So the first thing you want to do is go to your app store and look up the app Libby and download it. Once you have downloaded Libby, open the app up and you'll be presented with this screen where they ask you if you already have a library card. If you have one, click yes and enter in your information. If you don't have one, click not yet. When you click not yet, you can then find a local library to make a quick electronic card to use. I already have one, so let me show you how it looks once you make an account and sign in. This is your main screen that basically just shows you all the popular ebooks and audiobooks to download. As you can see, I have borrowed Nightmare Alley's audiobook. Keep in mind, if it's a very popular book, then you may have to be on a wait list just like any traditional library. As you can see, I am currently borrowing the Nightmare Alley audiobook and also the book When Women Invented Television. Now let me show you how you can actually place a hold or borrow a book. Like for an example, this one, Ready Player One. I click borrow and within a second it is now in my shelf to read. Now let's look up Harry Potter. Alright, so here's Chamber of Secrets. I want to borrow it, but as you can see, it's not available, and when it is not available, it shows you a place hold option. So the moment it becomes available, it becomes yours to read. Now let's look up Diary of a Wimpy Kid. As you can see, it is available because it's giving me the borrow option. So I click borrow and it's now mine to read. Now to read it on your Kindle, you simply click Read with Kindle and enter in your Amazon credentials and then click Get Library Book, and just like that, the book will appear on your Kindle. So as you can see, here's my Kindle. The book has already appeared, so I just have to tap it for it to actually download on the device, and once it's downloaded, I can start reading immediately. And once again, this is something that works on Kindles and tablets and phones. So on my tablet, I go on my Kindle app, and as you can see, the book appears. I click on it, it downloads, and I can start reading right away. And it does synchronize with your Kindle and your other devices as well. Well, that's it for my short tutorial. I hope it's helpful. Please comment below and let me know what you think of this video and if you want more tutorials like this in the future. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, please be sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos and cool tips and tricks. Till then, see you next time.